Welcome to the Dinjaz channel. Today we will see what HTML is and basic information of HTML. After that we will see how to code in step-by-step video and then see how to use web page design and structure it happens. Let's start with what HTML is. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the main markup language for describing the structure of web pages. Hypertext is text displayed on a computer or other electronic device with references to other text that the user can immediately access, usually by a mouse click or key press. Apart from text, hypertext may contain tables, images, and other presentational elements. It is an easy-to-use and flexible format to share information over the internet. Markup languages use sets of markup tags to characterize text elements within a document, which gives instructions to the web browser on how the document should appear. Thank you for watching the Dinjaz video. Please subscribe the channel and press the like and bell icon, and please share channel with your friends who love coding.